Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is problem number 1 from exercise 4.4, page number 91. Find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, find them. You are given with three equations, and the first equation here is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. First, we have to find out the nature of the roots here. So, write it 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Always compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from here on comparing, I will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Now we have to find out the discriminant to understand the nature of the roots. So the discriminant of quadratic equation is b square minus 4ac. So find it out, b square minus 4ac value. So minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5, a into c. So this is 9 minus, so 40, right? So this is nothing but minus 31, which is less than 0. So if the discriminant value is less than 0, the roots are imaginary roots, right? So that you write the roots are imaginary. So there are no real roots existing. So they are asking if there are real root existing, then find them. As they are imaginary roots, so you can stop the problem till here. Let us do the second problem here. So equation given is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Upon comparing with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We'll get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. To find out the nature of the roots, first we have to find out the discriminant. So the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So calculate minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So 4 fours are 16 into 3 here, right? So this is 16 into 3 minus 16 into 3 here, right? So this is 0. If discriminant value is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, nature of the roots you have to write it as two equal and real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the nature of the roots is real and both the roots are equal, right? Now we have to find out what are the two roots for this given equation. So to find out the roots for this equation, use the formula minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So from this we know a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. So just substitute. So minus of minus plus 4 root 3 square root of b square, that is 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a. Or else here itself you can substitute that whatever the value we have found b square minus 4ac is 0, that you can substitute here itself, right? So no need to calculate also. 4 root 3 divided by 6 here. So that is nothing but 2 and 3. This you can write 2 by root 3, right? So these two roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. So x1 is equal to 2 by root 3 and similarly x2 is also equal to 2 by root 3. So both the roots are equal and these are the real roots. Let us start solving the solutions for the third equation. They have given 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So on comparing this with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. So to find out the nature of the roots, first we have to find out the discriminant. That is, discriminant D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So just substitute minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So this is nothing but 36 minus 24, right? So 8 3 is 24, right? So this value we will get it as 12. So determinant value is 12. So to find out the roots of this quadratic equation, so now the value of D is greater than 0. If the value of D is greater than 0, then we say the two roots are real and distinct roots. Real and distinct roots. So let us find out the roots of this quadratic equation. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is the value of b? Minus 6. So minus of minus plus 6 square root of this value, you write it down here, 12. B square minus 4ac divided by 2 into 2. So this I can write this as 12 is nothing but 4 into 3. So under root of 4 into 3, this 4 will come out, that as 2 root 3 divided by 4. So this you can cut it down, this 3 times, and this you cancel 2 times, right? So this is nothing but 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. So the two roots for this quadratic equation, 2x square minus 3x plus 3 are 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these two are the real and distinct roots that I am getting for this quadratic equation. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.